On today's video, we'll be replacing this garage door opener, and these are the ones that just basically mount onto the wall. These are going to be low voltage wires coming from behind the wall. So what we'll do is we'll remove these two screws and then we'll quickly just replace our opener. To do that, you can go ahead and check here and you'll see just two wires that are protruding from the back of this drywall. I'm going to loosen our two screws in the back and then we'll just remove our wires. These two wires, my garage door should close. Tapped it again, and now it's opening the door. Going to be our low voltage switch right here. You usually get these generally like on doorbells for your chime kits. Here's one that was installed. It's the same exact thing. Here you can see we've put our wires back together. We're just going to test it quickly. Now we're going to remount or resecure our switch to the wall. Make sure when you're resecuring that you don't do it into the drywall. You want to catch a stud. So here we have a switch. Usually on a switch or an outlet, the stud is going to be on the left side or on the right side of the switch or outlet, which is securing the outlet box or the electrical box. So you just want to make sure that you do resecure it properly. So right here we know that we do have a stud and we're going to resecure our switch. Now that we've reattached or resecured our switch, we'll go ahead and test it one more time. This video was a help. If it was informational, please subscribe.